stick. The shit I'ma take, he won't even miss.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? This is Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how y'all can install the Type S cluster in a bass tier. So without further ado, let's just go ahead up to the video.
I can't ride up in no Charger, got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 3.2 at the TL, it's gon' offer.
So first thing first, what we want to do is we want to source us a Type S cluster. You want to know why? Because they're plug and play. All you have to do is just take out 4 Phillips head screws, unclip 2 connectors, and reverse the process. You got a Type S cluster, my nigga. So you really don't need any special tools. All you need is a flathead. No. All you need is a Phillips and maybe a flathead. You don't even need panel pry tools. First thing first, you want to find a corner. Really come to this corner down here. Be careful though, and just pull. See how this just came off like that? Boom. Now I can't pull it out all the way because I have some connections coming from the buttons to my actual steering wheel. And yes, I have a Type S upgraded steering wheel with actual working paddle shifters. I have a video link right there. But hold on, let me take this out. So boom, once you got the bezel removed, there's like you can see the first 2 screws right there. Bam, boom. There's 1 right there. There's 2 right there. The last one right there, that's all holding it in. That's it. Now, once you remove those 4 screws, you should be able to just completely plug and play. I'm not gonna go all that far into the install because I've already installed it before, and I ain't trying to really disassemble my whole gauge cluster right now. That's basically it. It's basically a plug and play. I really don't have anything else really to add to it other than after you get the cluster. I want to say taking off the bezel might be the trickiest part or the hardest part, but that's all that is to it. You just want to pinch down here in this corner where info and select is. You pinch, you pull, you give it a good pull, but don't pull it hard because you don't want to break this. Because if you go 0708, it doesn't have these buttons right here, just right here, and it's kind of has like a edge or a bevel on the edge of the creases. But I wanted it, but at the same time, if it's the same price as another part that I need, I'm not about to goddamn do that. You know what? I'm not. So I just left the bezel there because honestly, if it comes down to it, if I wanted to change the look, I could just dip it. But when it comes to that point, I'd probably just make a video on it and then just call it a day. But other than that, I'm probably gonna have to redo these connections because I have this button and this button switched. So just do those connections backwards and call her a day. But other than that, it should be a wrap for the cluster though, because it's just 4 Phillips heads and really 4 connectors. Take the bezel connectors off. You remove all 4 Phillips heads from the top and both bottom corners, and you remove the only two connectors going to the back of the Type S cluster. So that's all you need is a flathead. Why do I keep saying a flathead screwdriver? So oh my God, I can't talk. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need. Got the Type S cluster in. I'm gonna catch y'all back when I got the bezel back on. And just like that, looks factory. You can't even tell I have wires hooked up going into it. If you don't know what you're looking for, it just look like a Type S, honestly. But that's probably gonna be a wrap for that though. But if y'all did like the video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on. Just fuck with your boy. I'm dropping some gems, I'm dropping some bangers. Just fuck with your boy, just fuck with me, just fuck with me. I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all, and I'm fuck with you.
Bye, have a great time.
Hand on the wheel, foot on the gas. All of the time I done burn up my cash. I'm back on my grind, yeah, I'm back in my bag. If I'm not in first, then I feel like I'm last. It's not a face, it's a passion now. I follow my dreams and I'm catching now. Still feel like it might just come crashing down. Damn.